You are staring at a $42 billion industry. The global energy supplement market was valued at $42.2 billion in 2024. Capsules, powders, gummies, drinks. Every single one of them promising the same thing: more energy. And here's what almost none of them tell you on the label. The three most common causes of low energy in otherwise healthy adults are iron deficiency, B vitamin deficiency, and magnesium deficiency. Not a lack of caffeine. Not a shortage of exotic Amazonian extracts. Three basic nutrients that have been present in the human diet for thousands of years, in foods that cost under $4, that somewhere in the last century we stopped eating regularly. The Bible described a land of abundance using 7 specific foods: wheat, barley, grapes, figs, pomegranates, olive oil, and dates. Contemporary scientific knowledge confirms the exceptional nutritional value of these 7 species as well as their health-related benefits. They represent some of the earliest domesticated plants in the Middle East and could serve as basic food all year round because their fruits were easy to store. This video is about 3 of those 7 foods, specifically the ones that contain the exact nutrients that modern science now identifies as the primary drivers of natural, sustained energy. And I'm going to show you exactly how to combine them into a single preparation that the ancient world ate daily, that costs under $4, and that covers more of your energy-related nutritional needs than most supplements on that shelf. Stay with me. Let's start with what energy actually is at the cellular level, because once you understand this, the rest makes perfect sense. Your body produces energy through a molecule called ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Every single thing you do, from thinking to breathing to lifting your arm, runs on ATP. Your cells produce it constantly through a process called cellular respiration. That process requires specific nutrients to function. B vitamins and magnesium help enzymes turn food into ATP, the body's usable energy currency. Iron builds hemoglobin, and B vitamins help make healthy red blood cells so oxygen reaches tissues. When any of these are low, the entire energy production chain slows down. You feel it as fatigue, mental fog, difficulty concentrating, and that persistent tired feeling that no amount of sleep fully fixes. The most common nutrient links to fatigue are iron, B vitamins, magnesium, and vitamin D. Correcting a true deficiency can meaningfully improve energy and exercise tolerance. This is not alternative medicine. This is mainstream clinical nutrition, published by Harvard Health, the NIH, and every major nutritional research institution in the world. The supplement industry built a $42 billion market around this knowledge. They packaged iron, B vitamins, and magnesium into capsules with brand names and marketing budgets and sold them back to people whose ancestors got the same nutrients from food that cost almost nothing. Here's what those ancestors were eating. The first food is dates. The Bible speaks of the 7 species in Deuteronomy 8:8: wheat, barley, grapes, figs, pomegranates, olives, and date honey, as the basic staples of the land. Dates weren't a snack or a treat in the ancient world. They were a primary food source, calorie-dense, shelf-stable, portable, and packed with nutrients in a way that made them ideal for agricultural laborers, desert travelers, and soldiers doing hard physical work. A 100-gram serving of dates provides essential nutrients including potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6. These fruits are dense in natural sugars, dietary fiber, and essential minerals, making them a quick and sustained source of energy beneficial for digestive health. The key nutritional detail most people miss about dates is the combination of fast and slow energy delivery. The natural sugars, glucose and fructose, provide immediate fuel. The dietary fiber slows absorption, preventing the spike and crash cycle that comes from processed sugar. Fiber slows digestion, helping control appetite and maintain steady energy levels. Iron in dates plays a key role in red blood cell formation, making them especially helpful for people with low iron levels or fatigue. B vitamins including B6, niacin, and riboflavin help boost metabolism and support brain health. This is the same iron that supplement companies put into iron capsules and sell for $15 a bottle. The same B6 that goes into B-complex vitamins. In a food that costs less than $4 per bag and has been eaten in the Middle East every single day for over 6,000 years. The second food is pomegranate. Pomegranates are mentioned multiple times in the Bible. They decorated the hem of the high priest's robe in Exodus. They appear in the Song of Solomon. They were among the fruits brought back to Moses as evidence of the Promised Land's abundance in Numbers 13:1-23. They weren't just symbolic. They were dietary staples. Olive oil, wine, and fig fruit were used for medicinal purposes in ancient Israel, and the 7 species provided essential nutrition year-round. Here's what modern research found when they looked at pomegranates and energy. A randomized controlled clinical trial found that a food supplement based on pomegranate extract combined with B vitamins and vitamin C taken for 2 months significantly reduced prolonged fatigue in healthy consumers. Analysis of pomegranate extract identified 59 bioactive compounds, with galactanins and L-argitannins being the most abundant. The clinical study of 58 participants showed significant reduction in fatigue severity at 56 days and during follow-up. A peer-reviewed, randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial. The gold standard of clinical evidence. Showing that pomegranate, one of the 7 foods explicitly mentioned in Deuteronomy, measurably reduces fatigue in humans. Pomegranate is rich in essential nutrients including carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins including vitamin C and niacin, and minerals such as calcium, potassium, and iron. It is also abundant in dietary polyphenols, including phenolic acids, flavonoids, and tannins, making it a functional food with numerous health benefits. The supplement company that ran this trial packaged the pomegranate extract into a product and sold it as a premium supplement. The pomegranate itself costs $2 at any grocery store. The third food is raw honey. Honey appears more frequently in the Bible than almost any other food. It is the defining characteristic of the Promised Land, a land flowing with milk and honey. Jonathan eats honey in 1 Samuel and immediately feels his energy restored. Proverbs 24:13 says, "Eat honey, my son, for it is good." This wasn't metaphor. It was dietary knowledge accumulated over thousands of years of direct observation. Raw honey contains disease-fighting and energy-boosting nutrients, allergy defense builders, and probiotic support. The key distinction is raw honey versus processed honey. Processed commercial honey is heated and filtered, which destroys enzymes, destroys pollen, and strips most of the bioactive compounds. What remains is essentially flavored sugar. Raw honey, the kind available at farmers' markets and health food stores, retains its full enzymatic and nutritional profile. The natural sugars in raw honey are among the most efficiently absorbed energy sources in the human diet. Athletes have used honey as a performance fuel in studies comparing it directly to glucose gels, with equivalent or superior results for sustained energy during endurance activities. The combination of glucose and fructose in honey provides the same dual-phase energy release as dates. Immediate fuel from glucose, slower sustained release from fructose, without the processing, packaging, and markup of commercial energy products. Now here's the preparation. 3 ingredients, under $4, 5 minutes. This is the ancient energy preparation, not a modern invention, but a reconstruction of what the biblical world ate regularly as a morning food and a recovery food after physical labor. The ingredients: 2 to 3 medjool dates, pitted. These are the premium variety, larger, softer, and more nutrient-dense than regular dried dates. Available at any grocery store, Costco, Trader Joe's, or Middle Eastern market. Price: roughly $1 to $1.50 for 3 dates from a bulk bag. Half a cup of fresh pomegranate seeds or 2 tablespoons of 100% pure pomegranate juice with no added sugar. Price, roughly $1 to $2. 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Look for the word raw on the label. Processed honey does not have the same profile. Price per teaspoon from a jar, under 50 cents. The preparation. Option 1. The simplest. Eat the dates whole, drink the pomegranate juice alongside, drizzle honey over both. This is effectively the ancient preparation. Whole foods eaten together, no processing required. Option 2. A paste. Pit the dates and blend them with the pomegranate seeds and honey into a thick paste. This was a common preparation method in the ancient Near East, used as a spread on flatbread. Add a tablespoon of olive oil for additional sustained energy from healthy fat. The result is dense, calorie-rich, and covers your iron, B6, magnesium, and antioxidant intake in a single small portion. Option 3. A morning drink. Blend all 3 ingredients with water into a thin liquid. This is the fastest preparation, under 2 minutes, and delivers the same nutritional profile in a drinkable form. Eat or drink this in the morning, before physical activity, or as a mid-afternoon replacement for a coffee or energy drink. Now let me be direct about what this is and what it isn't. This is not a supplement. It is not a treatment for any medical condition. If you have diagnosed iron deficiency anemia, B12 deficiency, or any other clinical condition, you need to work with your doctor. What this is food. Whole food in the form that human beings in the biblical world ate it, containing the exact nutrients that modern nutritional science identifies as the primary drivers of natural sustained energy. Supplements don't create energy if your levels are already normal. The evidence-based approach is food first before adding pills. The 3 foods in this preparation, dates, pomegranates, and raw honey, are documented in the Bible as central to the diet of ancient Israel. They are documented by archaeologists as the actual foods eaten in the land, and they are documented by modern nutritional science as containing the specific nutrients most commonly deficient in people who experience chronic low energy. The supplement industry turned that knowledge into a $42 billion market. The original version costs $4 and takes 5 minutes. Here's what you learned today. The most common causes of low energy in healthy adults are deficiencies in iron, B vitamins, and magnesium. The ancient biblical diet addressed all 3 through foods explicitly described in Deuteronomy 8:8. Dates contain iron, B6, magnesium, and sustained-release natural sugars. A peer-reviewed clinical trial confirmed pomegranate extract significantly reduces fatigue. Raw honey provides dual-phase energy delivery used by ancient populations and confirmed in modern sports nutrition research. 3 ingredients. Under $4. 5 minutes of preparation. Documented in scripture, confirmed by archaeology, and verified by modern nutritional science. The next time you walk past the supplement aisle, you'll see it differently. You'll see the iron capsule that costs $15. You'll see the B-complex vitamin at $22. You'll see the pomegranate extract supplement at $35. And you'll know that the original version of every one of those products is sitting in the produce section for $4. Hit the like button if this changes how you think about what's in that bottle versus what's in that fruit bowl. It shows this to someone else who's been buying capsules when the answer was always in the food. And if you want to see the next ancient preparation, the one that Roman soldiers used to maintain endurance on long marches and that modern research has confirmed affects cardiovascular performance, that video is on your screen right now. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.